In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Growth Rates. We'll start right from the company level. Open TIKR and use the search bar to look up the stock ticker you're interested in. Once you're on the company page, head straight to the Estimates tab. This is where TIKR aggregates analyst consensus forward estimates, so you can see projected revenue, earnings, and margins. It's a quick snapshot of what the market expects going forward, which makes it a powerful starting point before you dive deeper. Within the Estimates tab, navigate to Actuals and Forward Estimates. Here you'll find two essential types of growth data for revenue and earnings: year-over-year percent growth, often labeled YOY percent, and compound annual growth rate, or CAGR. YOY shows how the latest period compares to the same period a year earlier, great for spotting acceleration or deceleration. CAGR smooths multi-year growth into a single annualized figure, ideal for evaluating the trajectory over time without being thrown off by one-off spikes or dips. Take a moment to confirm the period basis you're viewing and use the available toggles to align with your analysis needs. When you see a growth metric in the table or in the chart, click directly on that cell or data point. TIKR will open a visualization that threads together the historical results with the forward estimates, so you can see the trend line from past to projected. Use this to compare revenue versus earnings growth, check for consistency, and identify inflection points. Hovering over the chart typically reveals exact values, which helps when you're validating assumptions. Next, broaden your search using the global screener. Open the screener and set up filters to find companies by growth characteristics, such as revenue percent change, YOY, or multi-year revenue, CAGR. Before adding criteria, choose your time range: fiscal year for company-reported annuals, calendar year to align across companies on a uniform year basis, or LTM, last 12 months, for the most recent rolling view. Then add your growth criteria, for example, revenue YOY greater than a certain threshold or a 3-year CAGR above your target. You can combine multiple filters to refine results. When your filters are set, click Fetch Screen. TIKR will return a list of stocks that meet your growth parameters. This is your curated universe for deeper research. Review the results, and when you're satisfied, save the screen so you can quickly rerun it later without rebuilding the filters. That's the workflow. Search a ticker, use estimates to review YOY and CAGR, click into any metric to visualize the trend, then scale up with the global screener, set your time range and growth filters, fetch, and save. With this process, you can move efficiently from a single company to a growth-focused watch list in minutes.